Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a luxurious, beautiful European style duvet set, then I have the one here for you. This is a beautiful three-piece set. It's from VOUGEMARKET, and I have to say I am so impressed not only with the quality of it, but how beautiful that it is. The duvet set has a full zipper so that you can easily put your duvet insert inside. Now, it doesn't come with the insert, but it does have ties at every corner. So once you put your insert in there, it will stay in place. The set also includes two king pillowcase covers, and these have a beautiful flap insert so that you can easily place your pillows inside. The fabric itself on this duvet set is so soft. It is really, really nice and comfortable for lounging or for sleeping. I really appreciated that they recommended to wash it right away. And because of how beautiful these colors were, I was really worried that they would run in my wash, but they didn't at all. And the duvet comes out just as beautiful after washing it. If you're looking for something that is going to really transform your bedroom into looking like it's super luxe and rich looking, then you want to go with this beautiful set. I love the deep royal purple color as well as that green pattern. It is a linen fabric, so it is super soft. It already feels like it was washed 100 times and it has that perfect softness. And that's my point of view.